From the left menu, you can access the collection tool. Once you're in, press Add to create a new collection. Select Add Asset to search for the desired assets to add to the new collection. Click on the plus icon to add the searched asset to the collection, regardless of the asset type, video, audio, picture, or whatever else. From the same screen, it is possible to carry out further searches. When retrieval is complete, press the Close button, and the list of selected assets will be shown on the left side of the screen. The list can be reordered or deleted using the Recycle Bin icon. On the right side, you can fill in the metadata fields of the new collection. Select whether to keep the collection in draft or publish to make it visible to other Arkki users. Type in a title and a description for the collection and then press Save and Save and Continue. From now on, the collection of assets is visible and can be browsed by all entitled users. From the menu button, you can access the collection management functions. Select Download to download all the assets in the collection. You can also choose to download the metadata plain text format or the metadata JSON format, the original file, or the low-resolution proxy files. Press Download to start the download process on your local machine. The interface will show a zip folder that contains all the downloaded files. The collection can also be shared. For the share options, please refer to the dedicated chapter. Press Edit to add or remove assets within the collection or to update the metadata. Press Delete to remove the collection. All the original assets will remain in the main catalog. Press Close to return to the Home Collections menu.